In the early 19th century, scientists didn't think in terms of energy. They thought in terms of individual powers or forces.
Faraday, come look at this. You're the bright spark around here. Perhaps you can work it out. Ørsted's reported an amazing finding. We're just replicating it here.
Let's try the compass on the other side.
Now, that is remarkable.
But if the electrical force is flowing through the wire, why does the needle not move in the same direction, parallel to the wire?
Quite.
Let's try turning the whole apparatus round.
Again, Newman. So,
The electrical force goes this way. The compass points that way. How can one affect the other?
Perhaps the electricity is throwing out some invisible force as it moves along.
What?
Perhaps some sort of electrical force is emanating outwards from the... You see, John? You see?
Yes.
Splendid.
So your results show that when electricity flows along a wire, what it actually does is create a little bit of magnetism. And as that magnetic charge moves, it creates a little piece of electricity.
Electricity.
Electricity and magnetism are interwoven, like a never-ending braid. So it is always pulsing forward. It's wonderful. Wonderful. Michael, there's something very crucial in maths. This electricity producing magnetism and magnetism producing electricity, it can only ever happen at a very particular speed. The equations are very clear about it. They come up with just one number. 670 million miles per hour.
I'm not sure.
It was the speed of light. That is the speed of light. You were right all along. Light is an electromagnetic wave.